What are we doing today, Scott?
We're doing a photo shoot. We're doing Gio magazine with the most amazing photographer, John Russo. And we're going to be doing beauty shots. It's a beauty story. We have 3 girls in the midst of the coronavirus scare. We need to do fashion masks.
What happened?
We need fashion masks for the coronavirus.
Oh my goodness, I just came back from Paris.
Like so small. Celebrity braider. Little Jackie. Jackie used to assist me a long time ago, but now Jackie does her own thing. So she's good. I feel like I taught her well how to be on set.
How to be on set, how to be on time, work ethic, on point. Yeah, I learned a lot from Scott.
There's no room for mistakes. This is it.
So I think the story, if you want to keep it in the lights, are like this,
Okay.
and then
Or you
and
see,
you
I
tell
have
me
one.
what you think, or we can go dark. I mean, I'm totally cool with both.
Well, we're doing some braids. You know, the hair's a little bit like couture, urban fusion,
Yeah.
confusion.
This could be a nice.
I love that.
That could be nice for the braids. Like give her something, a good. I have a lot of
Structure.
jackets.
A little
Structure.
Yeah,
right.
structure is
right,
always good, right?
You could do the classic black, white, and color. Like if you wanted to do a black, a white, and then something with color, could be good as well.
Right. Or you can dive through, pull out whatever you love. That's interesting because I'm very that. Like, feel free to go through because
You
that
could
could be
make it
beautiful
all color and do like bold, blue, orange.
We can. The only problem with that is I think it gets a little competitive sometimes with the makeup, and it pushes
Yeah.
you to go in another direction.
Right.
Yeah.
Where it doesn't give you the freedom to be like, okay, this is pretty,
Right, right, right,
or
right, right.
it's strong, or it's. I think sometimes with those bright colors, you're forced.
Right.
You know, you're
Yeah.
like, we're in it.
I mean,
Right,
I,
right.
I like the idea of the more neutral palette, and
This is great with the whites.
Right.
Or you
That's
could
what it
do
was like. I
white,
thought that would be
silver.
a nice. This is a nice, if you wanted that moment of put on the shoulder. It's like a nice, there's like white crops. I just try to keep a lot of clean.
This is pretty
Basic
cool with
colors.
the black and the white.
Right.
She could be interesting.
yeah, that's like a great palette that you guys are choosing.
It's nice.
I love a pussy bow, but that sometimes works.
Sometimes, right. I just didn't know, like, hair-wise.
Sometimes she works.
Right, nice and clean, nice easy tops, and I can always tuck it in and transform it into something.
Something.
Else. Right.
I know. I saw all those flowers downstairs, and I was like,
We could go get some flowers if you.
yeah.
think.
Well, I mean, you can always incorporate something that's
Right.
unique. It just can't be weird. It's just like
Right.
or lame. This is beautiful too. This is just stunning for life. Something fabulous. We're just in this tight anyway, so it's just bits,
I'd love to see this on you.
On me. Just do it. Yeah, with you.
All right, we're good.
I think so.
Yeah,
Navy
it's
is
all
the
about
new
navy.
navy is the new black.
Cool. Let me grab my camera.